In this video, we will talk about how to fix no internet secured but Wi-Fi connected on Windows 11. Method 1. Restart Wi-Fi adapter. Click on Start. Select Settings. On the left side, click on Network and Internet. Scroll down. Select Advanced Network Settings. Disable Wi-Fi adapter. Once it's disabled, enable it and check if it helps to fix your issue. Method 2. Run Network Troubleshooter. Click on Start and open Settings. On the left panel, select System. Scroll down. Select Troubleshoot. Then Other Troubleshooters. In Network and Internet, click on Run and follow the on-screen instructions. Method 3. Command Prompt. Click in Search. Type CMD. Select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Type the following commands one by one and press Enter. I have mentioned all 5 commands in the description. After running these commands, click on Start and restart your PC. Then check if it helps to fix your issue. Method 4. Change DNS. Right-click on Start. Select Run. Type in cpa.cpl and press Enter. Right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter. Select Properties. Here, select Internet Protocol version 4 and click on Properties. In DNS server address, select Use the following DNS server addresses. Enter Google DNS and Preferred DNS server and Alternate DNS server. It's pretty much stable and fast. Now click on OK and close everything. Hopefully, this will fix your issue. If not, let me know in the comments section. See you in the next video.